Hey guys, Rookie Lock here. Today I have this Corbin. It's half of a Euro cylinder, and it was given to me by Potti314. If you guys haven't heard of him, I'll put his channel in the description, but I'm sure most of you, if you're watching me, I'm sure you guys heard of Potti314. Once again, Potti, thanks for all the locks you gave me. They really meant a lot to me. I'm going to be using this offset hybrid from Sparrows and just a wiper insert in the top of the keyway. Even with this shallow of a pick, it's hard to get under these pins. I think we got to click out of one. Click out of 5, that put us into a false set. Now let's look for some feedback, some counter rotation. I think we got 2 set. Counter rotation on 3. I think we got it set, but we lost our false set. Have to loosen up on the tension here. There we got our false set back on 5. Drop 2, got it set again. I think I got no, didn't get 3 set yet. I think that was 3. Kind of losing the lock here. I'm going to switch to my old trusty here in 20,000s, no name pick. Oh, I think we're on 4, giving us counter rotation, but we definitely dropped some stuff. A little bit of spool pogo here on this Corbin. We got the false set back. Now we're on, I think it's 2 with counter rotation. Got it set. I think we're on 4. Yeah, that opened her up. So a little bit of spool pogo, but I think these Corbins are built to pretty good standards. So 4 minutes. Let's take a look at what's inside of here. Pretty nice lock. I think I like Corbins quite a bit. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I think we can take that off with this clip remover. Maybe. I got a key, so I might as well lock it back up. Might take me longer to remove the clip than it did to pick the lock. No, there we go. Alright. I think I showed you the key. If I didn't, here it is. Little high cut there, which is probably what's giving me the trouble. Extremely smooth lock. You can't even tell when it's top dead center there. I don't think we need a shim with this. I'm gonna give it a try. Beautiful. Everything's perfectly flush there. Everything needed to be picked, but 1 and 5 were pretty close to the shear line there. I don't expect anything else but standards in here, but let's take a quick look. Yep, all standards. They kind of look like steel pins. Actually, we'll check that after I take these drivers out. Definitely some spools in here. We got a standard in 1. Nice spool in 2. Oh. Spool in 3. Spool in 4, and standard in 5. I don't expect anything to be done upstairs. All the same springs. No counter milling. So let's check these out. Like I said, all standards in the bottom. On camera. All standards in the bottom. Standard in position number 1 and 5 for the drivers, and spools 2 through 4. Let's just see if I can find a magnet real quick here. No, they must be oh, they almost seem slightly magnetic. So I'm not sure about the pins. They do seem slightly magnetic, but I'm not sure if that's just the coating doing that or what. Alright guys, that's it on this this Corbin. Pretty nice lock. I think I like Corbins quite a bit. See them around town here fairly often. I don't have any Corbin Rust ones in my collection, but I hear they're pretty good lock. A lot of people seem to like those. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't give lock pickers a bad name, guys. Don't pick any locks that you don't own or have the permission to pick. Alright, that's it. Have a great day.